Got another lesson for you from YUNGBLUD's new album, Weird. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Mars. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. That's my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a B flat major chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 6th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Next is a D minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And then last is an F major chord. So you're just going to take the B flat major chord and move it down to the first fret. And it repeats, and I'll put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Mars. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more from this artist. Thanks.